A local city council is spending tens of thousands of dollars to determine what it should do with its municipal court.
As our David Winter reports now in our latest installment of Waste Watch, we'll let you determine whether Franklin City Council is being wasteful or watchful with taxpayer money.
Anything you would like me to know about any of these charges?
Judge Ronald Rupert is Franklin's only municipal court judge. In fact, he's only half a judge because the city is one of only about 10 in the state which only funds a part-time position. The judge says the city deserves all of his time.
The citizens, they deserve that time and attention, especially when we're talking about a court like ours, which is a very busy court.
That claim backed up by an Ohio Supreme Court analysis which ranks Franklin in the top 75th percentile of busiest municipal courts in the state that have full-time judges. But when the judge presented his case to City Council requesting the council endorse a move to a full-time judgeship, it voted to commission a study. The first phase would cost $20,000.
In terms of information, what I have seen from the proposal tells me that there will not be any additional information from what we can gather from the Supreme Court's data dashboard, which is the information about the number of cases, the types of cases, the clearance rate, timely processing.
The judge stopped short of calling the study a waste of money, but if the analysts come back agreeing with the state Supreme Court that a full-time judge is necessary, there is a second phase of the study which would cost an additional $40,000 to $50,000. The mayor says it would be a small price to pay when considering the court costs the city $600,000 a year, and the analysts may recommend dissolving the court entirely.
But you also have to remember they're operating at over a $600,000 deficit. For us to make a whimsical decision to say, yeah, we should be full-time because the judge thinks that or would like that, for a permanent decision for the future and the entirety of the rest of the city of Franklin, we would be losing millions and millions and millions of dollars instead of doing a $20,000 study and making a prudent decision based on those facts. It's irresponsible not to do the study.
Is the goal here to get rid of the municipal court in Franklin?
Absolutely not. The goal is to get the facts so we can make a decision on what the best direction of the municipal court in Franklin is.
I now pronounce you married. Congratulations.
Marriages, like the one between the court and city council, are hard and expensive, especially when you're paying someone to help determine whether you should stay married. For Waste Watch, this is David Winter reporting.
And it should take several more months to get back phase one of the court study. The mayor says at that time, council will determine whether to implement phase two or go in a different direction.